What we're going to talk about now is how to care for toads. Now, toads differ from true frogs in that they have a wide, flatter body. They're generally terrestrial. They have smaller eyes and non-webbed rear feet. They're warted and dry, usually over the back, or a little bit semi-moist. In these warts, they can produce a little bit of toxin or alkaloids. And so toads you really don't want to handle. Never wild catch one of these things. Most states have laws against catching them and keeping them. It's illegal to do so. So we're talking about a purchased frog or a bred frog. So anyway, with toads, they're generally not aquatic or semi-aquatic. So they are terrestrial. And make sure you know from the pet store what species you're getting. Set up an aquarium first. Most of these guys being terrestrial are going to be on soil or peat moss or something like that that might be moist, a little moist. Some of them like a little bit drier environments depending on what species you're getting. Now toads, generally, when you set them up, they're insectivores. They're going to eat generally 3 times a week with a calcium supplement with them as well. They usually eat, they're insectivores, usually talking about crickets, mealworms, waxworms, flies, things like that. Some of them will actually take small mice on occasion as well. And so make sure again that you know the species and that you have the setup ready first so that toad can come into it. Also, they don't like to be handled a lot. That stresses them out. And so most toads are kind of a hands-off species that you want to just kind of look at and get entertainment from just keeping them.